While Opensea has been the most popular place to buy and sell NFT so far, there are now a lot of other places where people can buy and sell NFT. In 2021, Opensea became the place to buy NFT. However, collectors are looking for other ways to buy and sell non-fungibles because of the platform's high fees, centralized model, and recent problems with listings. Opensea and NFT. To talk about the rise of NFT, you have to talk about the rise of Opensea, right? For Ethereum-based NFT, an open market called Opensea was launched in December 2017. It was the first one. It took Opensea 3 years to build its platform, but it did so quietly, catering to a small group of blockchain enthusiasts who were able to weather the crypto bear market by trading CryptoKitties and Mooncats, two historical NFT projects that were some of the first collections to be traded on the platform. Even though Opensea had found its place in the world, it wasn't until January 2021 that the platform began to realize its full potential. Because of NFT that were sold at high prices, like People's Everyday, The First 5,000 Days, and Bored Ape Yacht Club, NFT quickly became popular in both the crypto and real worlds. Opensea had a huge tenfold rise in revenue between January and February 2021. This was just a taste of what was to come. Throughout the rest of 2021, Opensea's profits kept going up. In January 2022, Token Terminal says that Opensea's current revenue is $440 million. This is the best month for the market ever. The venture capital giants Paradigm and Kodu led a fundraise for Opensea at the start of the month that valued the company at $13.3 billion. Opensea has an estimated 90% share of the NFT trading market. However, despite its success, many people in the NFT community are moving away from the most popular NFT marketplace in favor of smaller, less well-known ones. Opensea Top Nft in 2022. Number 1. Azuki. Azuki has a group of 10,000 avatars. These avatars give you access to the garden, which is a place on the internet where artists, builders, and Web3 enthusiasts come together to create a decentralized future. Azuki holders get to see and do things that other people can't. Visit azuki.com to learn more. Rise with us. Together, we build. Together, we grow. People who live in the metaverse have their own brand by the people who live there. At azuki.com/gallery, you can see the whole thing. Number 2. Clone XX Takashi Murakami. The virtual fashion group RTFKT Studios has made it clear that they want to bring a hype vibe to the world of NFT. When Hypebeast talked about their first steps into virtual fashion, they said they were a new age supreme for a digital audience. They also said they plan to work with a lot of high-profile people this year. So far, there have been sales of virtual sneakers by the designer Jeff Staple and the artist Fuocious, which raised $3.1 million in just 7 minutes. But today, the company announced that Takashi Murakami, a Japanese artist, is now its most important partner yet. They're working together on a large-scale crypto art project that starts in November. The two are working together on a project called Avatars, which is a series of 20,000 digitally created 3D characters, each with a different set of pre-made features. Murakami has made designs for the eyes, mouths, helmets, clothes, and traits of the characters, using elements from his well-known cartoonish style. As one of Larva Labs' first NFT projects in 2017, CryptoPunks, this project is a clear homage to the show. This is similar to how that original work was made. RTFKT hopes that the random creation of the characters will result in some unique combinations of features that will become collector's items in the future. As an example, the rarest CryptoPunks characters have sold for over $7.5 million each. RTFKT's avatars, on the other hand, will be fully 3D rigged models. This means that their owners could, For example, use them as AR filters on a camera, in Zoom meetings, or in games. Number 3. The Bored Ape Yacht Club. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is a digital art collection of 10,000 different tokens that can't be bought or sold, but can be used to make art, NFTs. Each picture shows a cartoon ape in profile, dressed in different colors and traits, and with different facial expressions. The collection was released in April 2021, and many celebrities bought and used the items. They were very excited about them. The value of the collection has gone up a lot since it was first made public, by a lot. The most common way to use them is as an avatar on social media profiles. There are 2 other things these NFT can do. They can also be used to get into a very rich social club. The buzz about this NFT collection is making it go up in price. The price of things could keep going up if more celebrities start investing. People made their first move in the NFT space in 2017 when CryptoPunks was launched. It was only when the crypto market went down that they lost a lot of popularity. Investors came back to the crypto world a few years later, and the foundation for NFT had already been built. The whole area quickly became popular again. The CryptoPunks collection also had a resurgence, with its most expensive NFT selling for more than $11 million. NFT are becoming more popular because of the development of the metaverse, which will use NFT as certificates of ownership of goods, other items, and virtual land in the digital world. This development is making NFT more popular. It doesn't surprise me that a new and very popular collection has come out. April 2021 was a good time for the Bored Ape NFT collection to show off. It quickly sold out of its 10,000 images for 0.08 ETH per NFT, which was a good deal. At the time, that was about $190. A cheap one will set you back about $170,000 as of January 2022. Bake or Bored Ape Yacht Club is now one of the world's top NFT collections. A lot of people started talking about it in July 2021. Prices have kept up. Number 4. CryptoPunks. A project called CryptoPunks was one of the first to use the Ethereum blockchain to make non-fungible tokens. The project is made up of 10,000 24x24 pixel portraits that are made up of random things like the person wearing a hat or smoking a pipe. While you could get a CryptoPunk for free, aside from a transfer fee, the rarity of the digital portraits and the increased demand for NFT have caused the price to go through the roof. This game was made by Larva Labs, a 2-person development team that works on a wide range of projects, from mobile games and utilities to web infrastructure and digital art. The team came up with a pixelated character generator that was inspired by the London punk scene and cyberpunk movies and books. They made 10,000 characters and put them on the Ethereum blockchain in 2017. Anyone who was interested could get a CryptoPunk for free. Before NFT and DeFi took off, they would only have to pay the gas fee to pay for the computing power, which was a lot less than now. For their own use, Larva Labs kept 1,000 pictures. The rest were quickly taken. Today, the only way to get a CryptoPunk is to buy it from the person who owns it. As a project, there are some things that make CryptoPunks stand out from the rest. It's one of the first NFT projects on the Ethereum blockchain. Months before the launch of CryptoKitties, which is a popular cat breeding blockchain game/NFT project, a lot of people were making their own CryptoKitties. Being one of the first projects of its kind makes it worth more. Second, there will only be 10,000 CryptoPunks in the world. This makes things rarer for collectors. People who are known as CryptoPunks might have portraits that are more valuable than others because of how they look or lack thereof. In this picture, there are 9 aliens and 24 apes. 44 of them have beanie hats, 48 have chokers, and 78 of them are missing teeth. There are also 128 people who have rosy cheeks. The 8 CryptoPunks don't have any characteristics that make them unique. 1 hash 8348, has 7 characteristics. A CryptoPunk with a lot of unique traits can be worth a lot of money. As an example, CryptoPunk hash 7804, which was a 9-year-old alien with small shades, glasses, a cap, and a pipe, sold for more than $7 million. But the value of a CryptoPunk isn't just how rare it is. There are portraits that collectors want just because they like the way they look. Number 5. Hate Prime. They were sold 1,677 times in the last 7 days. It sold $37.51 million worth of Hate Prime. The average person paid $22.4K for one Hate Prime NFT. There are 6,032 people who own Hate Prime, and they have a total of 8,192 tokens. There was only one Hate Prime NFT that was sold for the most money, Hate Prime. On 2022-01-20, it was sold for $31.3K 16 days ago. If you want to buy Hate Prime NFT for less than $17.3K, you can find it for less than $23.9K. A Hate Prime NFT sold for about $20.7K in the last 30 days. People who own Hate Prime NFT also own Azuki, HypebearsClub.official, Lil Heroes by Edgar Plans, and Prime 8 Planet PAP. This is how it works. There are 8,192 Hate Prime NFT in all. At the moment, 6,032 people have at least one Hate Prime ETF in their wallets. These NFT go up and down in price all the time, but these are the top ones in OpenSea right now.